Today we're going to take a quick look at how to cut in or prepare the replacement parts you may have picked up from a salvage yard. The first step is to place the door on a table or a stand with some foam underneath so that you don't damage the panel. The next step is to wipe it down with some wax and grease remover. Make sure it's really clean and you don't have any oil or anything like that left on the panel. The next step after that is to mask it off with some good quality 3M Automotive refinish masking tape and paper. Anything that you don't want painted, you'll mask it off with that. And last, you'll scuff it with a red or gray scuff pad. To scuff this and prepare it for paint, you just want to make sure that everything that is shiny is dull. The scuffing is hard work, but easy. So just make sure everything that is shiny is scuffed and dull or the paint won't stick. Before the second coat, I'd like to give a quick shout out to a good friend and great painter from Flint, Michigan, the Underground Paint King. And now for a couple coats of pearl, and here's what that looks like straight out of the can. After waiting for the base and the pearl to dry for about an hour, we're ready for 2 coats of clear. The first will be medium, the second one will be wet. One important thing you can take away from watching this video is that your gun adjustments really don't have that much to do with how the job turns out. This was sprayed at 12 psi and the fan was about halfway open. What's most important is that the spray gun is clean and the paint is mixed properly. Too thick or it dries too fast and you'll likely get orange peel. I hope you enjoyed this video on cutting in used auto parts and spraying some pearl white paint. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.